So I tried to get Alberto
There you go. Here.
unhung up, and I got myself hung up, and he got me unhung. Okay, it's 9:06. I'm out here with Alberto from Fishin Doodzz. I'll show you what time he was supposed to be here, right here on this little insert. That's what happens, Alberto, when you're late, brother. So, Alberto said, I'll be at your house between 6:30 and 7. Haha. You know what? He texted me for better lighting. He basically overslept. I'll be there in an hour. Haha, this way you're missing. Woohoo! I'm gonna FaceTime you right now, sucker. So this little company on Instagram reached out to me, Bass Creation Secrets, and sent me a couple frogs, you know, to try out. So hopefully I could catch a few for him. God, anybody want to give me a GoFundMe for create a GoFundMe account so I can get a new reel? Jeez, this reel's about had it, man. It's been through so much. What the hell? I think I just caught a frog. Shit, I did. Damn it. Gino, where are you, brother? I need you. Damn, he choked the frog? I don't think that's supposed to happen. Oh, man. I'm already one fish up on him, but hey, we're out here at Rotary Park. We're gonna get him. Out here with Fishin Doodzz still. We're on our, I don't know, 3rd or 4th spot.
Something like that.
Hey, this is a spot I've never been, but it looks froggy. I'm gonna be throwing this frog from Bass Creation Secrets on Instagram. Hopefully it produces. It's actually what I caught the frog on earlier. So frog on frog. Let's hope for bass on frog this time. Yeah. Shit, I think I am on that log. No, it got hung up on there.
On that tree right there?
Yeah.
Walk this way.
At the stump. It's in there though. I was hoping the fish would blow up on it before I hit it. Hey, come on, turtle, go get it off there for me. I can't lose a pencil, man. You got me, Fishin Doodzz?
I got you.
You got it?
Yeah, I got it right here.
Teamwork. Ouch.
Got it?
Yeah.
Oh, there you go.
It's in there, bro.
It is in there.
Oh well.
There you go.
Yeah, baby. Bass Pro Shops XL. 15-pound test. Saves the pencil. Whoa.
I did that before you don't save yourself.
Hook's not even bent, bro.
There you go.
Yeah. Hey, Jacob from Chaos Divers and Chaos Paddlers, which he never uploads on there anymore, found a spot for the triple threat. It's been a while since I used it. Alberto's hung up over there. Dude, you're almost over. I should try to snag your line. Oh, great. Damn it. I tried to get your line. Looks like I'm going over there with him. So I tried to get Alberto
There you go. Here.
unhung up, and I got myself hung up, and he got me unhung. I don't know how we're gonna do this though, because we're all wrapped around each other right now.
I'm gonna keep pulling line out so you can keep getting closer to yours. There you go.
There, yeah, nice. Hold on.
I'm definitely not recording.
There we go. Whew.
Alright. So, and now I even have like what? 9 miles?